Hello everyone, my name is Brian Van Hook and I'm with Florida SBDC at FIU. I'm here with Stanley Pacheco from DreamX Drones. Stanley, thanks for having us.
Thank you so much.
So we've been very impressed with your company, and so we wanted to share with the world in Miami-Dade County. Can you tell us about DreamX Drones and about your company?
Yes, DreamX Drones is a company who started 5 years ago. We start looking opportunities into the drone market, and we suddenly becoming DJI distributors for Latin America. DJI, the biggest, larger company in consumable drones in the world. They're like 80% of the market share, and we start with them looking opportunities in Latin America and the US, and it's been a very amazing thing. We have been doing sales, we are doing services, we are been doing after-sales services, we are doing a little bit of R&D with drones for application in different industries, and it's been very good for us and for our customers. We are now teaching them how to use the drones in the different industries that are playing a very big role.
Great, and then you mentioned services. So I know when most folks think drones, they think about like my son that's in the backyard with the drone, flying around, going in somebody's backyard or my pool. But actually, in terms of some of the stuff you do, it's related to commercial and agricultural, as the sign shows. Can you talk a little bit about some of the applications and some of the folks that you're working with? I know you're working with folks in Colombia.
Yes, we do a lot of applications. The drones is a industry, or it's a technology which changing many industries at the same time. Like the GPS system that does with many other different applications. Drones are doing the same. Many people think that drones are like toys or maybe just for photography, videography, but actually it's a lot of application in real estate, infrastructure, and now agriculture will be a sector that will be changed forever by drones, and that's what we are doing in Colombia right now. We are doing services for big farmers that have thousands of acres, and we are doing multispectral analysis, which is a way to improve the yield of the production, and also we are doing spraying that change the way that people are spraying chemicals, because it's safer, it's more precise, and helping the people to save money and increase the yield of production.
Cool. And then I know that you mentioned training. You guys are also branching out into training regarding drones. Can you guys talk a little bit about that?
Yes, it's been amazing. This is a new opportunity for us. We started like 3 years ago with the Miami-Dade College. They called us to helping them to develop the course for training pilots in the aeronautical school. We started 3 years ago with them. We do like 3 courses with them. Then we move out to do courses with the Miami Police Department here in downtown Miami, in the training center. And finally, we decided why not to do it ourselves, and we start a new company called the Drone Coders, where we are focused to help people to get into the drone market, because we have now stand up a regulation. The regulation is called Part 107, which is really good for people because they are allowed now to use the drones commercially with a little simple process. But for some people, it's difficult to get into that process alone. And we are helping industries, government agencies, and people in general to get into the regulation. We teach the course, we teach them how to fly it, and then we are open new courses in the applications with our knowledge and experience, are the thing that we have back to us in Colombia and some people here, to teach people also application in different industries as agriculture, mapping, modeling, spraying, and that's the idea, to connect also. In the future, we are creating a network that we can plug in our students with the industry that they need pilots with good skills. As well, we wanted to be a consultant for the company that want to start their own program with drones. We want to consult those people to make it easier for them to start the drone programming to their companies or government agencies.
Cool. And then you're located here in Miami-Dade County in downtown. Can you talk about what you like about working in Miami-Dade County and working in downtown Miami as a business owner?
We choose Miami because we know that's the door to the Americas, but it's also the doors to the US market. It's a focal point where a lot of things happening. And downtown Miami, we choose it because it's a lot of things going on in downtown. We have now the train that will connect us with the North Florida. We have the port of Miami. We have the airport very close. We have Bayside. And I think that's created a good movement for tech companies to start playing around and work with the different players. And for sure, in Miami, we have a big role in logistics. We have a big role in real estate, and downtown Miami, I think, is the center for those type of industries. And we are focused right now here in this space, which is a space also to do collaboration with other type of companies to promote drones and IoT devices and technologies into the Miami tech space.
Okay, and then lastly, kind of shameless plug, now that they've met you, now that they've heard more about your company, now that they've seen your product, and they've also seen about some of the applications of drones, where can folks go if they're interested to connect with you or they're interested to look at your product? Maybe they're like a farmer in Homestead or up in Orlando that they like what you're talking about in terms of agriculture. Where can they go for that? And then also give us the website for training as well.
Yes, if people want to buy drones or more information about drones in general, they can go to DreamXDrone.com, which is our site too, where we sell the products. The people who want training or they need consulting on how to introduce drones in their industry, or any government agency that want to introduce drones in their day-to-day operations, the best way to connect to us is in the dronecollege.com. They can send an email to my email account, is stanleypacheco@dreamxdrones.com, or just text me or call me at 786-660-1847.
Cool. Well, thanks again to Stanley and his team.
Thank you.
And thanks to you guys for watching. So have a good day.